Yes. I'm back again with another video. Welcome back to my channel. It's time to hit the nail on the head. It's time to hit the nail on the coffee. It's time to go straight to the point and say it. It's time to hold the bull by the horns. It's time to go straight to the point and say it. The way I saw it, the way I observed it, the way people told me such stories, or the way I saw the comments on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. It's time to say it the way it must be said. I'm back again with this video, and now I'm saying to you, I had a lot of comments on my previous videos that I made in Bulawayo or in Matabeleland, something to do with Matabeleland province, and people were saying to me that, you know what, you're always saying Ndebele people in your videos. Do you know that when you're also a Shona, there are Shona people in Bulawayo, there are Shona people in Matabeleland province, there are Shona people in Matabeleland region, and I'm like, okay, what? So my mindset was that, since it's Bulawayo, since it's Matabeleland region, since it's Matabeleland province, which means to say the bulk of the people there are only Ndebele people, undeveloped people. So these people, these commenters, or these subscribers, or viewers, or visitors on my channel were saying, no, you have to revisit your information, you have to re-edit your content. There are also shown up people, a lot of them, in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region, in Bulawayo, to be specific. I'm like, okay, thank you for the insight. Thank you for the knowledge. Thank you for the wisdom. Thank you for the understanding. Thank you for the information that you just delivered to me or gave me. So, truly, I have to confess my ignorance on that wise or on that matter. I didn't know that there are plenty of Shonas in Matabeleland region, in Matabeleland province. I didn't know that there are a lot of Shona people in Bulawayo. Of course, when I was there in January and February this year, I saw some of them, but I thought they just a smaller number or a smaller percentage. I didn't know that there are a lot of them in this province or in this city, in this town. But after I saw your comments, I'm like, okay, I'm going to revisit the information that I have concerning Ndebele people and Shona people in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region. So, truly speaking and honestly speaking, I didn't know that there are plenty of Shonas or a lot of Shonas in your region, in your province. That information was not in my mind. That information was not in my brain. That insight was not captured within my mind. And thank you for your comments. Thank you for your insights. Thank you for your thoughts and comments. Now I know that there are plenty of Shonas in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region. Now I know that a lot of Shona people in Bulawayo. Somebody was saying that, do you know that 30 to 33% of the people there, they are Shonas, your Shona tribe. So he gave me an actual percentage to say 1/3 of them, they are Shona people, which is 33%. I'm like, okay, 33%, 1/3 are Shonas, 33%, okay. Then point number 2, I was also ignorant, or I did a lot of ignorance on the fact that I didn't know that there are also other tribes in Bulawayo, in Matabeleland province, in Matabeleland region. I thought it's only Ndebele people. So some of the commenters or some of the subscribers, viewers, visitors on my channel, they wrote on the comment section and said to me, hey Madziro, hey Kudzi, you are so backward, you are so misled. Do you know that there are other tribes in Matabeleland province? There are other tribes in Bulawayo. It's not only Ndebele. There are other tribes in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. There are other tribes in Matabeleland province. There are other tribes in Matabeleland region. So they were correcting me. They were also admonishing me to say, no, it's not only Ndebele, or Ndebele. There are other tribes also. So you have to take that into consideration. You have to take that into account. I'm like, what? Okay, I'll take that into account. I'll take that into consideration. So I also confess to you my ignorance on this wise. I didn't know that there are other tribes in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town, in Matabele province, in Matabele region. I didn't know. That information was never captured in my brain. That information was never recorded or captured in my mind. I didn't know. Truly speaking, honestly speaking, I didn't know. But now, because of your comments on some of my videos, now I know the other tribes in Bulawayo. For example, the Kalanga tribe, Xhosa tribe, Kalanga tribe, Xhosa tribe. They're also in Matabele province, Matabele region. Yes. Even Nambia, Kalanga, Xhosa. They're also what? In Matabele region, in Matabele province. Because of your comments on my channel. You know what? If I don't know something, I'm humble enough to say this one I don't know. This one I know. So on this one I didn't know. And I'm confessing to you that, okay, thank you for the comments. Now I know there are Shona people in Bulawayo, there are Shona people in the province. Now I know. Now I do understand. There are other tribes in Matabeleland, not only in Ndebele. There's Kalanga, there's Xhosa, there's even foreigners are there in Bulawayo, in Matabele province, in Matabele region. You understand? So this is my video that I'm doing to confess, to say out, or to display my ignorance based on the comments that he wrote to me on my channel about, hey, Bulawayo, Matabele province, Matabele region is not only Ndebele people. There are other people like your own Shona people. A lot of them, they are there. I'm like, okay, fine, thank you. Then you said again, there are also other tribes in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo city, Bulawayo town. It's not only Ndebele people. They said, okay, thank you, that's fine. And some even went to say, there are even foreigners, a lot of foreigners in Bulawayo, in particular, and then in general, in the whole province, a lot of foreigners. I'm like, okay, thank you for the information, thank you for the insight. I do understand now. I'm now in the know. I'm now in the knowledge. So I appreciate you. I thank you for those revelations, discoveries, informations, and insights from you that I came to know through reading the comments, perusing the comments, and browsing over the comments, each and every comment on the past videos, on the previous videos. Thank you very much. To recap, or in conclusion, you told me that there are Shona people in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo. Now I know. You told me there are also other tribes in Matabeleland, in Bulawayo. Now I know. Now I'm in the knowledge. You told me, it's not only Ndebele people, there are also foreigners in Bulawayo. Plenty of them, foreigners from different countries, different states in Bulawayo. Now I know. Because of your comments, because of your knowledge that you imparted to me, the wisdom, knowledge, understanding, intelligence, social intelligence, human intelligence that you imparted and gave to me. And I received it with both hands, beautifully and gracefully. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm good. I'm well. Thank you very much. I'm done talking. Yours truly, remember to pray in Jesus' name. I'm signing out. Peace. Sharp.